This channel we provide in-depth knowledge of different programming languages which differentiate you with others. In our series today we are going to learn something known as pointers in C. This is very important topic in terms of C language, so try to concentrate and learn carefully. If I ask you one question, which feature of C do beginners find most difficult to understand? Believe me, out of 100, 99 will say, sir, pointers. Pointers are very important because it has the power to access the memory of a computer directly through programming languages or your programming language, that is C. Now first question that arises in our mind, why we should learn pointers? So there are certain reasons that come across me while learning and teaching languages. First is, pointers are very simple concept. Believe me, after doing this class you will also say that pointers are really very easy, sir. One more reason, pointers are very powerful. If anything is simple and powerful, we should do it. And the third one is to earn respect and money. What do you mean by this? Believe me, if you want to impress a person sitting on the other side of the table, or at the time of interview, if you want to impress a person, believe me, start talking in pointers. Maximum of the people are not comfortable with pointers, and if you talk in pointers means you should give the explanation maximum of where pointers can be used. You should use pointers. People will start respecting you. If they respect you, you will get good job. If you will get good job, you will earn good money. That is why I have written to earn respect and money. So these are the some reasons. I am not saying these are the only reasons. These are the some reasons which forces us to learn pointers. So let's start. Try to concentrate. What is pointer? Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Simple single line definition, and this is only the pointer is. What is pointer? Pointer is a variable. What is variable? Variable is a name given to a location in the memory. As we have already discussed in previous classes, what is variable? Variable is a name given to a location in the memory. So when I write int a, what does it mean? A is a variable of type integer in which integer constant will be stored. If I write float b, so what is b here? B is a variable of type float in which float constant will be stored. If I write char c, so c is a variable of type character in which character constant will be stored. What does it means? कि जितने टाइप के वेरिएबल्स होंगे उतने टाइप के कॉन्स्टेंट्स होंगे. Not only in C, in any computer language. जितने टाइप के वेरिएबल्स होंगे उतने टाइप के कॉन्स्टेंट्स होंगे. जितने टाइप के कॉन्स्टेंट्स होंगे उतने टाइप के वेरिएबल्स होंगे. Why? Because constants are stored in variables, and in variables you can only store the constant. So if you want to store an integer constant, you have to define a variable of type integer. If you want to store a character constant, you have to define a character variable. If you want to store x type of constant, you have to define a variable of type x. So what is pointer? Pointer is a variable which can store the address of another variable. Make it very clear in your point कि if we talk about pointers, तो pointers के अंदर address के अलावा और कुछ भी store नहीं हो सकता. अगर पॉइंटर है तो ये चीज़ मान के रखिए कहीं ना कहीं एड्रेस की बात होगी, और अगर एड्रेस की बात हो रही है तो ये चीज़ मान के रखिए कहीं ना कहीं पॉइंटर्स की बात होगी. बिकॉज इन पॉइंटर्स वी कैन ओनली स्टोर द एड्रेसेस, एंड एड्रेसेस कैन बी ओनली स्टोर्ड इन अ पॉइंटर. तो व्हाट इज पॉइंटर? पॉइंटर इज अ वेरिएबल विच कैन स्टोर द एड्रेस ऑफ अनदर वेरिएबल. फाइन. नाउ लेट्स सी. Now these two things are very important. One is ampersand sign and second one is asterisk sign. If you are comfortable with these two operators, one is ampersand sign and second one is asterisk sign. Ampersand sign means address of a variable, asterisk matlab value at address. Asterisk means value at address. This is an address operator and this is an indirection operator. Asterisk means value at address, ampersand means address of a variable. These two things ये चीज मान के रखिए, दिमाग में बिल्कुल आप छाप लीजिए. अगर ये दो चीज आपकी क्लियर है, believe me, out of 100, 80% pointers are understood by you. Believe me, you just learned these two things, ampersand and asterisk, 80% of pointers will be clear. Now let's see some examples and try to learn what is a pointer. Now here we are having a program void main int a equal to 10. Now what is a here? A is a variable. What is a here? A is a variable of type integer. What is variable? Variable is a name given to a location in the memory. So when I write int a equal to 10, 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM with a name a at location number 1000, 1, 2 and 3, and 10 will be stored. Means 10 will be converted into binary and 010101 will be stored. What is a? A is a variable. What is 1000, 1, 2 and 3? 1001, 1002, 1003. These are the addresses of a where 10 is stored. Now what is a? A is a variable. Try to concentrate. Try to concentrate. Again I am saying try to concentrate. What is a? A is a variable of type integer. What is variable? Variable is a name given to a location in the memory. So when I write int a equal to 10, 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM with a name a. Suppose at location number 1001, 1000, 1001, 1002 and 1003 where 10 will be stored. A is a name of the location. And what is 1000, 1001, 1002 and 1003? These are the addresses of that location. Fine. Now pointer is what? Pointer is again a variable. So how the compiler will differentiate that this is a pointer variable and this is a simple variable? Because int a, compilers know a is a variable of type integer. So how you will define a pointer variable? So simple funda, if any variable, what I say, if any variable is declared with an asterisk sign, it becomes a pointer variable. Again I am repeating what I had said. If any variable is declared with an asterisk sign, it becomes an pointer variable. So when I write int asterisk ptr, what is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. What is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. What does it means? ptr एक पॉइंटर है जिसके अंदर क्या स्टोर होगा? एड्रेस. बिकॉज पॉइंटर के अंदर हमेशा क्या स्टोर होगा? एड्रेस. और उस एड्रेस पे किस टाइप का वेरिएबल होगा? इंटीजर टाइप का. तो व्हेन आई राइट int star ptr, 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM with a name ptr. Why ptr? ptr is the name of the variable. Pointer is a variable at location number 2000, 2001, 2002 and 2003. Here we are having some garbage value. Why? Because ptr is not initialized with some value. Now in next line, when I write ptr equal to and of a, ptr is equal to and of a. And of a matlab address of a variable. Address of variable means and of a. Address of a is what? Address of a is 1000, 1001, 1002 and 1003. So we cannot store all the 4 values in one variable. Why? Because variable can store only one value. Suppose if I write int a equal to 10, so a is having 10, but in next line if I write a equal to 20, so this 10 will be vanished. Either it can store 10 or either it can store 20. So in PTR either we can store 1000, 1001, 1002 and 1003. So what logic says? It store the starting address of a variable, or you can say this is also known as base address. What is base address? Base address is the starting address of any variable. So here base address is what? 1000. So what is PTR here? PTR is a pointer to an integer. मतलब PTR एक ऐसा पॉइंटर है जिसके अंदर क्या स्टोर होगा? एक एड्रेस स्टोर होगा, और उस एड्रेस पे क्या स्टोर होगा? एक इंटीजर टाइप का वेरिएबल. तो PTR इक्वल टू एंड ऑफ ए PTR स्टोर 1000. एट 1000 व्हाट इज स्टोर्ड? एन इंटीजर कांस्टेंट. तो PTR अगर वेरिएबल है तो उसका भी कोई ना कोई एड्रेस होगा. तो यहाँ पे हमने सपोज मान लिया है कि 2000, 2001, 2002 and 2003 is the address of this PTR. PTR is again a variable, but it's a pointer variable. So if it's a pointer variable, it will store only address. Now let's see printf percentage I a. This is a simple printf statement. Printf percentage I is what? It's a format specifier for integer. So when I write printf percentage a, so what I will get? I will get 10. Here any doubt? No doubt. Printf percentage u. Percentage u stands for unsigned, because addresses are never negative. It is just like, suppose here if you want to meet Ram is Ram at here Ram Nivas and plot number 50. सपोज देखो रियल टाइम में जो होता है ना वही चीज़ कंप्यूटर में होता है. अब अल्टीमेटली अगर राम जहाँ रहता है तो उस घर का कोई ना कोई नाम होगा और कुछ ना कुछ एड्रेस होगा. एड्रेसेस कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होते. आप कभी नहीं बोलोगे कि राम -50 हाउस नंबर में रहता है. एड्रेसेस आर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. तो एड्रेसेस आर ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. तो 50 इज व्हाट? 50 इज एन एड्रेस ऑफ Ram, and Ram Nivas is what? It is a name of this house. Now if you want to access Ram, or if you want to meet Mr. Ram, so you are having two choices. Either you should know the name of the house, or either you should know the address. Same thing is applicable here. Same thing is applicable here. If you want to access this 10, either you should know the name of the location, that is A, or either you should know the address. Fine. So when I write printf percentage u stand for unsigned integer. Unsigned matlab without any sign. Without any sign matlab positive. Percentage u PTR. तो what you will get? PTR में क्या store है? 1000. You will get 1000. Again PTR के अंदर क्या स्टोर है? 1000. 1000 इज व्हाट? इट्स अ बेस एड्रेस ऑफ वेरिएबल ए. नेक्स्ट लाइन printf percentage u एंड ऑफ ए. एंड ऑफ ए मतलब एड्रेस ऑफ ए. एड्रेस ऑफ ए इज व्हाट? ए. एड्रेस ऑफ ए इज व्हाट? 1000. अगेन हियर आई विल गेट 1000. अगेन these four addresses are not displayed from 1000 to 1003. Why? Because it always work with the base address. Base address means the starting address of a variable. Now when I write printf percentage u and of PTR मतलब address of PTR. Address of PTR is what? 2000. Here we will get 2000. Next line printf percentage I asterisk PTR means value at address. Now suppose remove this PTR asterisk sign and see what PTR is containing. PTR is containing what? 1000. So this will convert into value at 1000. Value at 1000 मतलब 1000 पे कौन सी वैल्यू है? You will get 10 here. So this is the way you can access the variable value. So when I write value at PTR, so this PTR is pointing to this location. So PTR is holding 1000. So value at 1000 is what? Value at address. Value at 1000, value at 1000 is what? 10. So here you will get 10. Next line, printf percentage at value at a. Value at a means a में क्या है? 10. जैसे यहाँ पे value at a आएगा तो you will get one error. What error? L value required. What does it means? L value मतलब left hand side की value चाहिए. Now how the compiler treat this printf percentage at value at a? Here this asterisk sign is not working as a value at address operator, and here asterisk sign is working as a value at address operator. Why? Because PTR is a pointer where a is a simple variable. If this asterisk sign is used with the pointer, it is working as a value at address operator, and if this asterisk sign is used with a simple variable, it start working as a multiplication operator. Getting my point? If this asterisk sign is used with a pointer, it is working as a value at address operator, and if this asterisk sign is used with a simple variable, it start working as a multiplication operator. Multiplication operator is a binary operator. Multiplication operator is a binary operator. Binary operator means two operands. You can multiply two numbers. Now you cannot multiply single number. तो बाइनरी ऑपरेटर मीन्स टू ऑपरेंड, और हमने शुरू से क्या पढ़ा है कि वी कैनॉट चेंज द नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेंड्स ऑफ एन ऑपरेटर एट एनी कॉस्ट. इफ सम ऑपरेटर इज बाइनरी ऑपरेटर, इट ऑलवेज वर्क विथ टू ऑपरेंड. इफ सम ऑपरेटर इज tertiary operator, it always work with three operand. If some operator is a unary operator, it always work with one operand. So here asterisk sign, when I write value at a, here asterisk sign is not working as a value at address operator. Here asterisk sign is working as a multiplication operator. Multiplication operator is a binary operator. Binary operator means two operand. So when I write value at a, it start acting as a multiplication operator, and it is asking for the L value. L value मतलब मैं किसके साथ multiply करूँ. Getting my point? Now go through this program. If any doubt, you can ask me. I will repeat once again. What is pointer? Pointer is a variable which can store the address of another variable. What is pointer? Pointer is a variable which can store the address of another variable. Ampersand sign means address of a variable. Asterisk sign means value at address. Try to learn this thing very thoroughly. These two things are very, 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 very important. Ampersand sign means address of variable. Asterisk sign means value at address. Value at address, simple English, value at address. उस एड्रेस पे कौन सी वैल्यू है उसको वो डी रिफर करके आपको रिटर्न कर देता है. Now in main function, what we are writing? Int a equal to 10, int asterisk ptr. What is a here? A is a variable of type integer in which 10 is stored. When I write int a is a variable. Variable is a name given to a location in the memory. So when I write int a equal to 10, 4 bytes will be allocated at location number 1000 to 1003, whose name is a, and 10 is stored. Now when I write int star ptr, what is ptr here? Ptr is a pointer to an integer. Why we are saying ptr is a pointer? Because we have already learned if any variable is declared with an asterisk sign. If any variable is declared with an asterisk sign, it becomes a pointer variable. Ultimately it's a variable, but it's a pointer variable. So again variable, so 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM at location number 2000 to 2003 with a name ptr. Next line, ptr equal to end of a. End of a मतलब address of a variable. Address of a variable is here 1000 to 1003. But ptr is what? Ptr is a variable. Variable can store only one value at same point of time. So we cannot store all the 4 values in a single variable. So it will store only 1000. What is 1000? 1000 is a base address of a variable a. So ptr equal to end of a, ptr will store the address of a is what? 1000. Next line, printf percentage I a, 10 will be display. Printf percentage u ptr, ptr is holding what? 1000, 1000 will be display. Printf percentage u end of a मतलब address of a variable, address of a is what? Address of a is what? 1000, again 1000 will display. Printf percentage u end of ptr मतलब address of ptr is what? 2000, 2000 will be displayed. Next line, printf percentage I value at ptr, asterisk sign means value at address. ptr में किसका एड्रेस है? a का, वो कौन सा एड्रेस है? 1000. तो वैल्यू एट 1000 मतलब 1000 पे कौन सी वैल्यू है? दैट इज 10. तो यू आर गेटिंग 10 हियर. देन आई राइट printf percentage I asterisk a. तो हियर this asterisk sign is not working as a value at address operator. Here asterisk sign is working as a multiplication operator. Multiplication operator is a binary operator. Binary operator means it needs 2 operand. So here we will get an error, L value required. Go through this program, and if any doubt you can ask me. You have to remember only 2-3 things very thoroughly. First is ampersand means address of a variable, asterisk means value at address. ये चीज मान के रखिए. अगर ये प्रोग्राम आपको समझ में आ गया तो ये चीज मान के रखिए, आपका 80% पॉइंटर्स इज कंप्लीटेड. बिलीव मी सर, इसमें कौन सी बात है? एंड मतलब एड्रेस ऑफ अ वेरिएबल, एस्ट्रिक मतलब वैल्यू एट एड्रेस. बिलीव मी, इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद दिस 2 ऑपरेटर्स, एम्परसेंड साइन एंड एस्ट्रिक साइन. एम्परसेंड मीन्स एड्रेस ऑफ अ वेरिएबल, एस्ट्रिक मीन्स वैल्यू एट एड्रेस. तो बिलीव मी, नाउ वी आर लर्निंग ओनली int star ptr. Now what is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. In future classes we will go through int star star ptr, int star 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 ptr, int star 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 ptr. Next line, int star 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 ptr. Galaxy of stars we can have. If you are comfortable with single pointer, believe me, if you are comfortable with single pointer, you can handle galaxy of stars. Not only single star, you can handle galaxy of stars. Believe me, but you should comfortable with single star. Okay. Now let's move further. Now here, int a equal to 10, again 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM. 2 bytes means we are talking about 32 bit. Now we are working with 64 bit, matlab 4 bytes. Int a equal to 10, 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM with a name a at location number 1000 to 1003. Then int star ptr. What is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. Int star ptr, ptr equal to end of a. So here we are having ptr at location number 2000 to 2003. End of a was 1000 will be stored. Now int star star qtr. Now what is qtr here? Now what is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. Listen carefully. It is very simple. What is ptr? ptr is a pointer to an integer. What does it means? कि ptr will hold the address. At that address one integer variable will be stored. Now when I write int star star qtr, what is qtr? qtr is a pointer to a pointer. What is qtr? qtr is a pointer to a pointer. Means qtr will hold the address of a pointer. ptr will hold the address of a variable. qtr is a variable which will store the address of a pointer variable, and that pointer variable will store the address of a integer variable. So when I write int star star qtr, again 4 bytes will be allocated in a RAM with a name qtr at location number 3000 to 3003. qtr is equal to end of ptr. End of ptr means 2000 will be stored. Now when I write int star 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 str, now what is str here? Str is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. What does it means? Ki str is a pointer which will store the address of a pointer to a pointer, and that pointer will store the address of a pointer, and that pointer will store the address of a integer variable. Int star 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 str. So here we are having str is equal to end of qtr is equal to 3000 at location number 4000 to 4003. Next line, when I write int star 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 ctr. Now where we are using this type of pointers, that we will discuss in further classes. But see how easy this concept is. When I add int star 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 ctr, so what is ctr? Ctr is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. Means ctr will hold the address of a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. So here when I write int star 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 ctr, so here ctr will be stored at location number 5000 to 5003, where we will store end of str. End of str is what? 4000. Now if I write a, what I will get? I will get 10. Printf percentage a. Now if you want to access this 10 using ptr, what I will write? Value at ptr. ptr में क्या है? 1000. Value at 1000 is what? 10. I will get 10. Now if you want to access the value using qtr, now what is qtr? qtr is holding, listen carefully, again I am saying, qtr is holding what? 2000. Value at 2000 is 1000. So when I write qtr is holding what? 1000. Value at qtr is what? Sorry, qtr is holding 2000. qtr is holding 2000. Value at qtr, what I will get? 1000, and value at 1000 is what? Again 10. So what I say, value at qtr is 10. Now if you want to access this 10 using str, तो str में क्या है? 3000. Value at 3000 is what? 2000. Value at 2000 is what? 1000, and value at 1000 is what? 10. So value at str is what? 10. Same thing ctr में क्या है? 4000. Value at 4000 is what? 3000. Value at 3000 is what? 2000. Value at 2000 is what? 1000, and value at 1000 is what? 10. So if you want to access this 10 using ctr, what I will write? Value at ctr is equal to 10. So what we are seeing here, now what you are thinking is sir के concept बहुत अच्छे हैं pointers में. Basically what I am doing, जितने बार स्टार दिख रहे हैं उतनी बार मुंह से आपको पॉइंटर बोलना है. Believe me, you should know how to count in your mind. मन में कैसे गिनती करना है, अगर वो आपको आ गया तो you can handle n number of stars, galaxy of star. Now what I am saying, int star ptr is a pointer to an integer. कितनी बार pointer मैंने बोला? एक बार. When I write int star star qtr, what is qtr? qtr is a pointer to a pointer. Pointer to a pointer. कितने बार pointer बोला मैंने? दो बार. What is int star 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 str? str is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. And what is ctr here? ctr is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. Fine. If I write int star 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 LTR, so what is LTR? LTR is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. सिंपल सा फंडा. जितने स्टार हैं उतनी बार मुंह से पॉइंटर्स बोलिए, you will get the right answer. Now if somebody asks, please explain PTR, or please explain QTR, please explain STR, or please explain CTR, listen how you will explain. If I talk about PTR, what is PTR here? PTR is a pointer to an integer. तो PTR एक ऐसा पॉइंटर है जिसके अंदर एक एड्रेस स्टोर होगा और उस एड्रेस पे किस टाइप का वेरिएबल होगा, इंटीजर का टाइप का वेरिएबल होगा. दैट इज व्हाई व्हाट वी आर सेइंग ptr इज अ पॉइंटर टू एन इंटीजर. फाइन. When I write int star star qtr, what is qtr? Qtr is again a pointer variable. What is qtr? Qtr is a pointer variable which will store the address of a pointer, and that pointer will point to a integer variable. See here, qtr is holding what? 2000. 2000 is what? 2000 is the address of ptr, and ptr is holding what? 1000, and 1000 is having value 10. Again, what is str? Str is again a pointer to a pointer variable. What is str? Str is a pointer which will hold the address of a pointer to a pointer, and that pointer will store the address of a pointer, and that pointer will point to an integer variable. Again, मन में गिनती वाली बात है. Believe me, if you know how to count in mind, you can explain this pointer concept to anybody. Now again, let's take an example of CTR. Now what is CTR? CTR is a pointer. Again, how many star? 4 star. We have to speak pointer 4 times. What is CTR here? CTR is nothing but a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. What CTR will store? CTR will store the address of a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. कितनी बार pointer बोला मैंने? 3 बार. And that str will store the address of a pointer to a pointer. कितनी बार pointer बोला मैंने? 2 बार. And that pointer will store the address of a pointer. 2 से 1. And that pointer will point to a integer variable. तो CTR is nothing but a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. Go through this slide. If any doubt, you can ask me. What is a here? A is a variable of type. What is a here? A is a variable of type integer, in which integer constant is stored. What is ptr here? Ptr is a pointer to an integer which will hold the address of an integer variable. What is qtr here? Qtr is a pointer to a pointer. What does it mean? Qtr will hold the address of a pointer, and that pointer will hold the address of a integer variable. Again, see the example. Qtr is holding 2000, and 2000 is an address of a ptr. Ptr is a pointer to an integer, and ptr is holding 1000, and this 1000 is pointing to 10. What is str? Str is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. And what is ctr? Ctr is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer. Go through this. Any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we will move further. Fine.